Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers. So I'm going to start the F-105F dud, my buddy build with my friend Kurt from KH ModelWorks. So this is the two-seater. So let's take a quick look at it. Longer fuselage. Seats, the ordnance or bomb load. Seat, nice detail. Pilot, I think I still have the extra pilot from the other kit, the single seat. That's the machine gun. In the fuselage, more fuel tanks, bomb load, attachments, wing halves, ooh, nice instrument panel detail. These have nice panel lines. I'm gonna have fun detailing that. Of course, this one's molded in silver as opposed to the other one. It's molded in olive drab. Here's the two canopy pieces. More wing halves, landing gear. Pretty much the same like the other kit. That should be fun. Styles. Decals. Still have the leftover package, but don't know whether these decals will apply or not because these are all camo pattern, and I will be assembling mine in the bare metal. But I guess I can still use these names. These pretty cool names. Okay, so let's take a look at the instruction sheet. I already wrote down the colors. So after I review this, I will have to wash them and rid them of their release agent. So it looks fairly easy. Just have to coordinate my coloring, my painting I mean, so I can spray them all at once. Predominantly probably like the gray. I'll probably leave the canopy up so you can see the detail, like I did with the other one. And here is the color chart. Okay, so I'm gonna wash the parts and I'll be back. Oops, I forgot to show you the box art. Here are the photos on the box. It is copyright 1983. Alright, so I'm done with the cockpit details. Start assembling it, but I think I'd show you guys before I assemble everything. You can choose not to use the pilots, but I will be using them, so you won't be seeing the belts. Alright, so this is my progress so far on the F-105F dud. My buddy build with Kurt from KH ModelWorks. So, fuselage halves are assembled, wings and rear stabilizers are attached. This is the first time I'm actually using the Tamiya liquid cement. I don't have any extra din, so I use the standard thick one to lay a nice bead over the gap. Hopefully that will even out the line that forms when you glue halves. But everything is mostly detail painted. Just have to touch up the dark green on the bombs and then paint the yellow line in the front. Even though these will be silver or aluminum finish, the fuel tanks and some of these hard points or pylons, sometimes it's better to spray off the plane than on the plane, because then you have to worry about multi-angles when you spray the underneath the plane. Canopy frame is painted. I did not use masking, but I just used a brush and some patience. That is the rear of the turbofan or the turbine. Wheels are painted, so pretty much from here on it's going to be masking the cockpit and any orifice that needs to be covered, such as the landing gear wheel wells that I don't want to spray silver. So I'm going to cover up and prep the jet body for spraying. Once it's masked, I'm going to probably spray some gray primer and then I'm probably going to use chrome silver. It will be the aluminum natural finish, and then afterwards I haven't decided whether I'm going to coat it with gloss coat or dull it down to give it a more used look with dull coat. And that's where we are now. So that's about it. Okay, I'd like to do a mail call. Received this doodle art tank doodle art shop card from Doing Stuff with Things. Very interesting channel. He mostly does cars, but does a vast array similar to me with the doodle art card, but also his categories are also vastly differ from mostly car models, but he'll include like spray booth maintenance, some hobby tips. I think he even has like drone footage and some unboxings. So go check out his channel if you haven't done so already. I will have links to his channel in my description. And thanks again for the shop card. Go check him out. Doing Stuff with Things. He also has a very interesting email address too. I think it's, I can't believe I have this address or something to that effect. So go check him out. And thanks again for the shop card.